mahal namin kayo.
Ah! I know that sentence. It means like, we love you.
Yes!
Mahal namin kayo.
How did you know the sentence? You remember it from 9 years ago?
Yeah.
Wow!
Mahal namin kayo. Mahal kita.
Ano sabi na?
Mahal kita. Mahal namin kayo.
If you're saying it to a lot of people, it's mahal namin kayo.
Ah!
But if you're saying it to just one particular person, it's mahal kita.
Ah! Mahal kita.
Shout out to all the Jin stands out there.
Mahal namin kayo.
All right.
Mahal kita.